guys, what's up? It's Chuck here, and with your permission, allow me to get straight to the point. I'm currently working on a powerful project that I believe will make a massive impact in the affiliate marketing industry. Now, more specifically, my goal is to create a free training program where anyone and everyone from around the world can join for free to learn the proper skills and marketing strategies required to build a successful affiliate business from scratch. Now, on top of that, to ensure all members have everything they need to succeed, support, resources, and even group coaching will all be provided 100% for free. In other words, no more scams, no more marketing loopholes, no more push button software, no more get rich quick schemes, basically none of that. Just straight up ethical affiliate marketing strategies that are 100% beginner friendly, 100% actionable, and most importantly, 100% proven to work. Allow me to introduce you to my online startup, the future of affiliate marketing and soon to be the best free affiliate marketing training program in the world. However, with all that being said, there is just one small problem. You see, in order to get this free training in front of as many people as possible, I'll need a lot of help from you and my partners. And that's why if you're still watching this video, I would love to personally invite you to become a partner of my online startup. Simply put, as a partner of my online startup, the only thing you need to do is give away a brand new free affiliate marketing training program. After that, the program will literally do everything else for you. This includes educating your leads, supporting your leads, and even generating multiple sales for you. All of this without you doing a single thing. Now, if that's not enough, on top of that, as a partner of my online startup, my team and I will even set up a proven affiliate lead system for you so that you can build your own email list and earn passive income from our done for you pre-written promotional email follow-ups. You see, the truth is this service alone can easily cost thousands of dollars, but as a partner, you're getting this lead system 100% for free. Look, I know this sounds insane and may not make any sense to you right now, but the bottom line is this: if you're looking for a way to build a successful affiliate business that generates passive income and multiple income streams without you ever having to sell anything, you need to create a free account right now and check out our lifetime partner pre-launch offer while you still can. Because here's the thing, once I'm done creating a new affiliate marketing training program, the opportunity to become a lifetime partner of my online startup at the pre-launch price will be closed forever. And this means if you're not a partner by then, you'll simply miss out on leveraging my entire business to earn passive income and multiple income streams without ever having to do any selling whatsoever. So here's the deal. If you're serious and ready to take your affiliate business to the next level, you need to create your free account right now by simply filling in the form on the right. And once you've confirmed your account and can successfully log into the members area, there is a video workshop waiting for you that reveals everything you need to know about our lifetime partner program, all the income streams you'll be able to earn from, and how we can dominate the affiliate marketing industry as a team. Look, the truth is you're in the right place at the right time. All you need to do right now is to be the right person and take the right action. Remember, our lifetime partner opportunity will be ending very soon. So go ahead, create your free account by filling in the form on the right, and I'll see you on the inside. Trust me, it's gonna be an amazing journey. I'd love to have you on board, and I look forward to hearing your success story. I'll talk to you soon.